My name is Ladislav and I'm a gadget freak. I never leave my home without a couple of all of my gadgets. So I need a bag to fit them all in and keep them safe and organized. Not just regular backpack or a girly bag. I couldn't find one, so I started this adventure to create one that will fit all my needs and be cool.
Baggizmo, an advanced, more functional and aesthetically pleasing way of carrying things under a man's arm. Baggizmo's slim and versatile design smartly merges techwear and contemporary urban fashion, promoting a new trend in wearing tech devices among men.
We had to organize the space in Baggizmo rationally, so we ended up with a highly optimized bag in which the direction and the size of the compartments depend on the size of its corresponding device. And these are tablet, 2 smartphones, keys, wallet, power stick, pencil and a pad of paper. Baggizmo keeps them neat and easily accessible at all times. Ladislav asked us to try to solve the tangled cables and charging. So we placed hidden passages between the compartments, which allows you to charge your tablet with a power stick or to connect your phone with headphones and still look cool. So if you can't go wireless, go troubleless.
Another important challenge was to create a bag that stays slim even when it's full. Also, because the bag is carried over one shoulder, we optimized the proportions and weight of the object so that the bag doesn't move around in uncontrolled directions.
Baggizmo is the new solution to wearing a bag for all your gizmos under your arm, no matter what you wear. Over a shirt, under or over a jacket, or perhaps a business suit. You won't even need to take it off. Wear it while you're driving a car, riding a bike, or a quick meeting over a coffee. Baggizmo, truly a bag of tricks.
Please share and support our story to anyone you think might appreciate it. It would mean world to us. With your support, this bag is pretty much in the bag.
Hi, I'm Delma. I am creator of the BUKUL. It was created out of necessity because I had just started a new job. I kept walking from meeting to meeting to meeting, juggling these items. This was kind of like the standard amount of items. Sometimes I had my laptop with me, but most of the time it was these 3 items that I kept dropping and juggling constantly, walking into each meeting looking harried and usually with a coffee stain on my shirt. So I realized something had to be done. I had to make a better impression and look more put together. And that's where the BUKUL came in. I created one, being a laser cutting junkie. I sent in my file and it came back and all the measurements were wrong. Cut another one, then refined it, figured out the perfect material, and finally the BUKUL was born. I started walking into meetings like this and it caught on, and people started asking me where I bought this, and I told them that I made it, and they asked if I would make one for them, and that's kind of how it started.
Changing the bands is quick and easy. The BUKUL is specially notched out so that you can seamlessly switch bands to fit the changing needs of what you carry around. Whether it's a laptop, a tablet, a notebook, or all 3, the BUKUL can accommodate. It not only comes in different sizes, but it also comes in a variety of colors you can switch out depending on your mood or meeting. So check the order reference form to find the set that's just right for you. Some sets even come complete with a pen and notebook ready to go. We need your support to fund the cost of the materials and fabrication, purchase of the wood, the cost of the precision laser cutting of each BUKUL, the elastic material and sewing, and the fulfillment of each order. We need your support to fund the advertising and marketing to get in front of the distributors so these BUKULs will be in online and brick and mortar retail stores everywhere. We need your support to get the word out that the BUKUL will organize your hand so you can put your best foot forward. So support us today and then buckle up. Thanks so much, everyone.
Dexter, stop it.
In a time where the world is moving faster and faster, it is sometimes hard to take a break and to let go. We tend to forget that it's often the small and simple things that make us happy. Coming home after a long, stressful day, we all need to recharge our batteries. What else would be better to relax and to unwind than bringing back the simplicity of your childhood by watching spin toys overwin gravity? Also, simply having fun with your friends and loved ones is very precious in these hectic times. We have created Spinerds Spinballs, the fastest spinning toy on this planet. a fascinating spinning toy reinvented in an elegant way. Spinerds spin balls are made from 2 solid steel balls spot welded together. We have used industry-leading coating technology and materials for a perfect spinning experience. Exposed to light beams, spin balls also create fascinating light effects you have never seen before. Together with our smart spin base and its integrated smart controlled LED light, you can create your very own light shows by using the Spinerds iOS and Android apps. We could spend hours exploring all the different light effects and colors which can be created by this wonderful toy. We have spent more than 10 months with developing, designing, testing and prototyping to bring this toy to perfection. We have looked into every detail and we have been working hard together with our suppliers to ensure only the best materials are used. The result is an amazing and exceptional toy for spin lovers and everyone else who is fascinated by the simplicity of light and speed or wants to bring back childhood memories. Help us to bring this toy to life. Support us now and become a Spinerd.